What is it? Get it. Good boy. Good boy. You gonna get it? You good girl? Huh, good girl? You gonna get it? Go get it. Go get it. Good boy, Blaze. Good boy, Mo. Good girl, Storm. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good boy, Mohawk. Come on. Come on, let's find some. Good boy. Good boy. What is it? What is it? Good girl. What is that? Bring it here. Good girl. There's a good girl. I found you. All right. A nice one. Well, I think we're in the area. Crap everywhere. I mean, just everywhere. You look, it's piled up all the way up. And then this big old scrape here. I gotta point my phone up to see that. And look at this. I'm this tall. Pretty good scrape. There's my hand, as high as I can reach. So, man, that's a big bull. Hope we find his home. And we found a couple. And they're over here. And it's late, and there's a little blood on the horn. We got some blood on them. You know, a little bit. And assuming they're just fell off, really. Maybe we'll get lucky and get into some more. Utah horn hunt with my 3 dogs, Blaze, Storm, and Mohawk. Mohawk! Good boy. And they're learning to find some sheds today, and I thought a lot of people would have honestly been in here already. So most of the horns we're finding are way up here, about 8,000 feet. Mother's Day, they just fell off. We got a Storm and Blaze, and we got Mo over here. I'm hoping he's getting tired, but this is going. And we're just gonna work our way down and hopefully find some more. I'm surprised they're falling off this late. Pushed them way up here, I guess. People looking for them. So we're just gonna keep scouting around and try to come across some more of those guys in the brown, Utah brown. and we're just trying to put on some pounds. You know, I went to some better areas, book cliffs and that earlier at the beginning, and on the opener, and it was just terrible. It was like, while people that were with me found horn. I'll show you at the end of the video, but I didn't find any. My dog Chevy found one. I ran him for miles, and he just got so wore out that I had to leave him home, and we thought he was going to go down. He was limping, and you know, he had an injury. He broke his hip years ago, and when he was a pup, and so he was done for. And so I'm just taking these guys, looking around for some little horns up here by the top of the mountain up here by my house, and see if we can find some more. Thanks. Well, if you like it, subscribe. We'll keep looking. We're gonna do some shed hunting all around here for a couple more times, and hope you like the videos. Thanks. Another one. Check this one out. Hold on. Hard white.